Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The 2026 Audi Superclass Motorhome is a speculative entry into the premium recreational vehicle market by the German luxury carmaker, offering a refined fusion of cutting-edge technology, understated styling, and unmatched comfort. If Audi were to start such a project, its goal would surely be to establish new standards for elegance and clever integration in the RV market. From the outside, one would expect a design language that is in accordance with Audi's modern style. Strong lines, well-defined panel gaps, and a commanding presence. The front fascia would probably be dominated by the recognizable Audi single-frame grille, with cutting-edge matrix LED lighting on either side to provide both exceptional illumination and a unique visual appeal. Aerodynamics and balanced proportions would probably be given priority in the overall silhouette, which would communicate a feeling of subtle elegance as opposed to overt flashiness. Its high-tech nature would be demonstrated by the discreet addition of smart sensors and possibly even retractable components for outdoor facilities, while large, flush-fitting windows would optimize natural light and provide vast views. The 2026 Audi Superclass Motorhome's inside is where its Superclass moniker really shines. Inspired by the interiors of Audi's premium car and SUV, the cabin would be a masterwork of material selection and ergonomic design. Anticipate a symphony of high-end materials, including authentic wood veneers, brushed aluminum, beautiful Napa leather, and possibly eco-friendly, high-tech textiles. With a carefully planned living room, a modern kitchen with integrated equipment, and a peaceful sleeping area, the layout would be cleverly adjusted for both social interaction and private rest. With high-end fixtures and clever space utilization, the bathroom amenities would evoke spa-like elegance. The core of the Audi Superclass Motorhome would be technology. An all-encompassing digital ecosystem, maybe modeled after Audi's MMI system, would smoothly manage every aspect of a car, from entertainment and navigation to climate and lighting. An intuitive and highly customized user experience would be produced by voice control, gesture detection, and integrated smart home features. Even for a car of its size, advanced driver assistance systems that largely draw from Audi's autonomous driving research would guarantee increased safety and a more comfortable driving experience. Strong Wi-Fi, 5G integration, and satellite communication options would be essential for connectivity, allowing residents to stay in touch from anywhere. The motorhome would be designed for a smooth and powerful ride beneath its elegant facade. In keeping with Audi's dedication to efficiency, a strong yet efficient drivetrain, possibly a hybrid or even an all-electric configuration, would supply enough power for long-distance driving. No matter the road conditions, a constantly comfortable ride would be guaranteed by an adjustable air suspension system. The car would be positioned as a genuine superclass competitor in the changing luxury motorhome industry by catering to a selective audience that values subtle luxury, state-of-the-art technology, and a sophisticated driving experience.